guys, how you doing? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Mutsangale, and if you're new here, hi, how you doing? So I recently got a very cheap wig from town. I bought it from this mall called Shasha Mall. I actually saw it on Facebook first, and then I went and I bought it at Shasha Mall. So this wig costed me $28 US, which is basically cheap considering like how expensive wigs are out there. Alright, so it was $28 like I said, and it's basically 100% human hair. So it came in this very black bag, which is basic, and it had this little color white paper, which is cool. I'm just not a fan of this plastic base. I think companies should actually please ignore the noise all over. Oh god. I think companies should actually invest in like a proper packaging and stuff like that. But then since this was cheap, I'm guessing cheap things. So this is the wig. Let me put it on my mannequin. Oh god, guys. Oh wow. This is the little wig. Oh, that I got. I've never tried on short wigs before. I'm like one person who really love long wigs, so I feel like long hair suits me better. But wow, let's get into this new wig kind of vibe. So guys, I've seen this wig on what's the name, Boiti, and it looked so pretty on her. So I'm guessing it might look pretty on me, and if it doesn't, just $28 anyway. So yeah, I'm just gonna try to put these Kama items down by spraying water. I don't know if it goes down. Oh, it does go down. So I think this, okay, let me show you inside the wig. Okay, so this is what it looks like inside. You can see that. Yeah, it's like a basic, well-made wig. So let's just get on and try it on. So I'm just gonna put water in my hair so that it lays down. I definitely need to cut my hair. It has grown big now. Right, so my mirror is right here. You're gonna try on this wig and look like crap. Okay. Oh god. Okay, so I basically like the side parting better. I don't know. Okay. Put on some water to make it lie down. So this is 100% human. You guys remember the old days when you used to do 100% human hair? It was basically the ish before this Brazilian human hair thing came. I remember I used to have one that I used to share with my sister. It was actually hers because I was so young and I couldn't afford all that. But you would shake and then you'd wash it after. It basically was human hair to us. Oh. I'm trying to make this slide down. Let me do that with my little. My natural hold, long-lasting hairspray. Like, look. I don't know if I like it or not. Like, I'm not sure. Okay. I'm not used to small hair, but this definitely gives me like a 50s kind of vibe. Like, I don't know. What do you guys think? I don't know. I think I'm kind of feeling it. I need to like get out because guys, it's summer and it's really hot. So so this week is like basically one of those weeks that you need in summer because it doesn't make you get like really hot and stuff like that. But, yeah. I really like the price point because it's like $28, so it's not really that, it's not expensive and you can afford to have yourself like a wig that you can try on and see if it looks nice on you, see if the vibe is for you. But if it's not, then I don't know. So I basically think that most companies in like most shops should actually use FedEx, because I hate to have to go into town to actually go and buy something. That sucks so bad. But anyway, not many people would like to pay the extra $5 to get their things cheap, but then it's a really good, it's like I really like receiving things in the mail. So, and fuel is expensive. I'd rather spend five extra dollars to like get my things shipped here. And actually it's not even $5. It's like $3 or $2.99 if I'm not mistaken, because I've used FedEx to ship things and it costed like 77 RTGs, which is basically around $3, $2 there. I'm not so sure, depending on the current rate of the day. But yeah, guys, this is the wig. Tell me if you like it, and if you don't, actually tell me if you like it on me or you don't. I don't know. I kind of am feeling it. I think if I dress it up with like a really tight fitting clothes, it would look really nice. But I'm gonna be rocking this today, and I hope you guys can really see how it looks in pictures. So thank you guys so much for watching my video, and do tell me what kind of videos that you would like me to do, and also what kind of shops you'd like me to review or to buy things for you guys to see what they're all about. So thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, bye.